Yes, Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 24 with the consent of the opposite party, the counsel for the state respondent. This matter may be listed after 4 weeks. Item number 24. You are for? I'm for the petitioner. Mr. Ivan. Ivan, land counsel for the petitioner with the consent of the other side. Praise for listing this matter after 4 weeks. The prayer is allowed, list this matter after 4 weeks. Okay,
My lordship, I beg to mention item number 26. This matter will listed on 19th December.
19th.
December. We have taken consent from the petition.
You're for the respondent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Miss. You're for the state respondent?
Yes, my lordship.
And government appearing on behalf of the state respondent with the consent of the land council for the petition of praise for listing this matter on 19/12. The prayer is allowed. List it accordingly. Okay.
May I appeal to Lordship? Lordship, I mentioned regarding item number 3, item number 3, there's typographical error in page number 1, Lordship. I have wrongly written as 479 instead of 483. Item number 3, kindly allow me to correct the same.
You want to correct?
Yes, Lordship. And another item number 10, Lordship, I have to file an additional affidavit. I have sent a copy to.
Just a minute. This correction and then when this is to be listed?
Today itself, Lordship.
Then
Just
let it come.
Let
it come.
Okay, Lordship.
Yes.
Then item number 10, Lordship. I have to file an additional affidavit. I have sent a copy to the accused person, but he have not returned the same. Kindly allow me to time and file the additional affidavit another date. Fix the date.
File another?
File the affidavit, Lordship, additional affidavit, and fix another date.
You were allowed to file additional affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
I have not yet filed.
Not yet filed, Lordship. I have sent a copy to my accused person. He is in Delhi, Lordship.
Mr.
G. Pokon.
Land counsel for the petitioner prays for father. How much time do you require?
1 week or 2 weeks?
Father, 1 week time to file additional affidavit. The prayer is allowed. This is matter after a week. Okay. Have you informed? Just a minute. Who is for the other side here?
I'm here.
Yes.
I'm for the respondent number 2.
Respondent.
Yes.
Okay, you have
I
not.
was supposed to bring on record the supplementary charge sheet here
Okay,
through my affidavit.
noted. Okay,
Yes, not
Mr. You are Mr.
Yes, Chetri.
Yes, Chetri, land counsel for the respondent is also present. Okay,
Respondent number 2, my lord. One is the state.
okay, respondent number 2.
My lord, I want to mention item number 6. Adjournment for at least 1 week, Your Honor.
You are
For petitioner,
what you want here?
adjournment for a week.
For how much?
For 1 week, Your Honor.
For 1 week.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Honor.
What about the other side? Have you informed?
Yeah, I have already concerned.
Okay, Mr.
The other
You are
side.
Mr.
GT Sangma. GT Sangma.
GT Sangma,
Yes, Your Honor.
land counsel for the petitioner with the consent of the other side. Praise for listing this matter after
1 week.
a week. Okay, the prayer is allowed. List is accordingly. Okay.
Obliged.
May it be please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9. I'm for the petitioner on behalf of T. Sunil. Your Lordship, due to outstation, main counsel is out of station. So matter may be fixed after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I am for the respondent, Lordship. Matter may be fixed for any particular date, Lordship.
When do you want then? When do you want?
Any of the honorable date, available date.
You are Miss?
B. Mema. And Your Lordship, there is an interim. It may be continued, Your Lordship.
submits that the conducting council is out of station and prays for adjournment. You are Mr.
HT Tara Lordship.
Mr. H.T. Tara, Lani Council for the you have for respondent number? Or okay,
They are sole
you also
respondent.
present. On the prayer of both the Lani Council for the parties, list this matter on after, you said after 3 weeks.
Maybe fixed for any
After 3
party.
weeks would be, then, why you want fixed date?
That Lordship seeking adjournment again and again, Lordship. So, that for Lordship.
Then, after 3 weeks, okay, then, 3/12, okay, 3/12.
Dear Faith Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention
Fair,
item number 18.
The interim or the past earlier shall continue to the next stage, okay. Yes,
18. For the petitioner on behalf of T. Garam, matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
so have you informed the respondent here?
Yes,
Right.
yes, Lordship.
Miss, you are Miss
B. Mema.
B. Mema. Lani Council for the petitioner with the consent of the other side, prays for this matter after 3 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Prayer allowed.
No,
List this
2
matter.
weeks, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Also, Your Lordship, again, also item number 19.
19 also,
Yes, Lordship.
similar prayer.
Yes, Lordship.
There also you have informed.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Similar order, huh? Okay.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
My Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23. Your Lordship, on request of Mr. S. Tai, counsel for the respondent, can it be fixed on 28th of November?
You are for
I am for the appellant.
appellant.
Yeah.
You have you informed the respondent?
Yeah. On request of the respondent, I am mentioning this in fixed.
Okay. So when do you want, you said?
28th of November.
28.
Yes.
Hearing. Okay. On that. You are Mr.
Mr. J. Karbak.
Lani Council for the petitioner with the consent of the other side, prays for listing this matter on 28 November.
November.
Prayer is allowed to list this matter accordingly. Okay.
Acha apply.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. Lordship, leading counsel D. Pangeng is out of station, Lordship.
Okay. So when do you want?
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
You are Mr.
T. Darin.
Submit said the leading counsel, Mr. D. Pangeng, Lani Council for the appellant is out of station. And pray for adjournment of the matter for today. When do you want, after?
3 weeks, Lordship.
This matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
Prayer allowed, huh? This matter after.
May I, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27 of today's list, Your Lordship. I, on behalf of petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel M.K. Singh, Your Lordship, he is unable to attend court today, Your Lordship, due to some personal difficulty, Your Lordship.
You are Mr.
On behalf of M.K. Singh, Your Lordship, petitioner, from the petitioner side.
And you are Mr. Your-
K. Moses, Your Lordship.
Mr. M.K. Singh, Lani Council for the petitioner, yes, could not appear for due to some personal difficulties, and pray for adjournment.
And Your Lordship,
Prayer is allowed to list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Your Lordship, yeah, that may be fixed an appropriate day, Your Lordship.
No, we will
Yeah.
not fix. After fixing also, you may.
Okay, highly obliged.
Have you informed the other side here?
Yes, Lordship.
Who is the other side? Private respondent?
PP.
EP?
Yes, sir.
No private respondent?
No, Lordship, there is no private
When do
there.
you want, you said?
We want Lordship on 20
He is
of
from outside
yes, Lordship.
petition. Okay, when do you want, you said?
We want Lordship 20 of this month, Lordship. November.
20.
Yes.
Okay. And praise for listing this matter on 20.
Deeply obliged.
Prayer is allowed, list this matter on 20. Okay,
May I Lordship, I would like
Yes.
to mention item number 21, 22.
21.
Yes, my Lordship.
Yes.
Need motion type to file an objection.
Hmm?
Need some more time to file an objection.
You are for the respondent?
Yes, my Lordship. And I need
Okay. Who is
appropriate
for
date.
the petitioner?
Petitioner is P. Picha.
He is present?
Yes, sir.
Okay. They are praying for some more time to file
Yes, ma'am.
objection. Okay.
No objection.
Mr. B. Teacher, Islamic counsel for the petitioner is present. You are Mr.
J. Modi.
J.
Modi.
Modi. R. J. Modi, Islamic counsel for the respondent, prays for further. How much time?
My Lord, appropriate date may be given on 28th of this month.
No, you want to file, you are praying for some more time to file
No
objection.
objection, my Lordship.
You file objection first.
Okay.
Okay, prays for some more time to file objection. Prayer allowed, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item
This-
number 8.
hello, is this to, the running council, 21 is with 22? Okay, 21, 20. Okay,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8 here. Our leading counsel, Mr. R. Sonar, is out of station, Your Lordships. Matter may be fixed after 2 weeks.
In item number 8, my lord, on the last occasion, I was not present here. There was certain defamatory statement which has been made against me. So let this
Where?
matter,
in the petition itself.
no, not by the petitioner, by the counsel for the victim. So that is on record, my lord. But let this matter be come up.
Today,
Yes, my lord.
wait for some time.
What the matter?
Wait for
Okay,
some time.
Madam, may I mention item number 25? Madam, I'm informed that madam, the petitioner herein has expired last 2 weeks back, madam. So, madam, may I take the proper instructions from the client on the family members, madam? Therefore, madam,
Mr.
matter may be
Carter, Islamic counsel for the petitioner, submits that who has an information that the petitioner is no more
Right.
since deceased, and prays for some time to obtain necessary instruction in this regard.
Right.
Prayer allowed, list this matter after
3 weeks, madam.
3 weeks. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Yeah, my lord.
Yes.
Counsel for the respondent is not present, but my lord, here in item number 12, my lord, this respondent number 2 has expired, my lord. So I have to file one IA, my lord, application, my lord.
IA,
Yes, my lord. In item number 12, my lord, yes. Respondent number 2 has expired, my lord.
okay.
So I need some
Mr.
time.
P. Picha, Islamic counsel for the appellant, submits that he has an information that the respondent number 2 is no more since deceased. Sorry, during the pendency of this case, the respondent number 2 has expired and prays for some time. For
filing appropriate application.
okay. To obtain necessary instruction and to file appropriate application. Okay,
My lord.
prayer allowed, list this matter after 3 weeks.
My lord.
3 weeks,
Two
2
weeks.
weeks, okay, after 2 weeks, okay.
Obliged.
May Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your Lordship, just before I mentioned item number 18 and 19. And Your Lordship is supposed to be listed for admission hearing. So next, if it is listed for, it should be in admission hearing, Your Lordship.
yes,
Fixed for admission hearing.
yes, it will come for admission only.
Yes, thank you, Your Lordship.
May I, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, here the petitioner before this honorable court is challenging the impugn expertise judgment and order passed by a self-proclaimed customary court of Naharlagan. That is by judgment 27/8 of 2024.
self-proclaim,
Lordship, since why I'm saying it's a self-proclaimed because as per FR, the only customary court relates only where there is a village authority, where the party reside within a village. But since Lordship here in the judgment or in the there also the party, the petitioner is is a permanent resident of Karaderi, but he's residing presently in Pappu, in Julang. In their lordship, I'll just take to the judgment, impugn judgment, page 17, lordship. I'm telling the jurisdiction, lordship, page 17.
Yes.
In the customary code of Gaumbura, ICC, Itanagar Capital Complex.
Okay.
So lordship, since Itanagar Capital Complex comes under urban area, then there is no Gambura appointed as per section 5 of AFR.
Okay.
So lordship, if I'll just take you to the lordship, the complainant, Mr. So and so, Julie Road, Tinyali, Pappu Hill, Pappu Nala, lordship. There is present place of residence, and that is the respondent, that is the petitioner. So Guru Julie Colony, Pappu Nala. This is pure Naharlagan laws.
Both are from Pappu Nala.
Both are from Pappu Nala. I would have understood lordship if the matter was taken up by a Pappu Nala Gambura GB. But lordship, I'll take to page 20. That is the judgment given by 3 Gambura, presided over by 3 Gambura. The first Gambura says it's from the seal and stamp says that Gambura Naharlagan model village is from a model village. And the second lordship is a GB Sword village. And the third is Nirjuli village.
Gambura, model village.
Yes, lordship.
Sword village.
That's why lordship, I'm saying this is a self-proclaimed. They have themselves create a code saying this is a customary code of Itanagar Capital Complex.
So who, according to you, has the jurisdiction to file the case, your case, Pappu Nala?
Lordship, since this is a the matter related, it's a funny lordship, it's related to a Mithun. So
Who, according to you, should decide?
Lordship, if that is a matter that the Pappu Nala, if Pappu Hill has a village,
Pappu Nala have also the GB.
Lordship, since this it comes under ward number 13 of Itanagar Municipal Corporation.
But then if there is a GB,
if there is a GB lordship, then the GB of my Pappu Nala GB only will preside over me. As per section 40 of the AFR says, both the party has to be the engineers of APST and has to be an.
Both are from Pappu Nala.
Both are from Pappu Nala. And lordships, the judgment also says that I have been imposed.
Have you annexed the complaint? It was addressed to whom?
Lordship, for that, I'll just take you, Lordship, a complaint was made by the respondent. That is the complaint is in Lordship. I'll take you away to page 29. He has made an page 29, Lordship, which I have challenged that. Page 29 is the complaint made by the respondent.
Okay, so but the complaint was made before the executive magistrate.
Yes, Lordship.
And an executive magistrate has endorsed.
As director, the Gambura, the complaint is your Lordship. Page 30 is the complaint.
Yes.
May I read out? To the executive magistrate Naharlagan, dated 26/12 or 23 complaint. With due respect and humble submission, I beg to you state that on 11/9 of 2016, Lordship, it was a year 2016. And even if that is the limitation also, Lordship, yeah. But I was given a female pregnant meeting to Sri So-and-so village Kurujuli under the jurisdiction of PS, Pappu Hill PS to take care and inform to him and watch and to give the problem matter of the meeting. After a long year, I was inquired him and report to committee member of Pappu Nala committee that he had taken any response to case and could not found any where he has. So this is the complaint.
So now whether the executive magistrate has the power to endorse or to made over the case to the Gambura?
No, Lordship. If had been the case endorsed to Pappu Nala Gambura, that would have been a different issue. Lordship, the next page.
Whether there is a Gambura in the Pappu Nala.
That Lordship, I don't know. But that Lordship, that's why I made an aberration in my petition also. The Pappu Hill come under ward number 13 of Municipal Corporation.
Of Itanagar.
Yes, Lordship. So it's such Lordship, it's come under urban area. And page 31, Lordship, after receiving the complaint, the ESC has issued this order, Lordship.
Whether the jurisdiction has been divided in Itanagar,
No, Lordship, there's no such.
no, haphazardly, how the extra assistant, probably there must have been some government order dividing the jurisdiction, who is to cover.
No, Lordship, because the jurisdiction, it has to be governed by AFR, Lordship.
Yes.
Since AFR has been repealed in section, by
What the AFR say, where it has to be filed?
section 40,
the
Lordship.
complaint.
Section 40 of AFR says, Lord.
Okay, what it says?
It says, may I read, Your Honor?
Yes.
The village authority shall try a suit without any limit of value,
Hmm.
in which both the party are indigenous to the, that is, and live within their jurisdiction. And live within their jurisdiction, Lordship. Since, Lordship, I have pointed out that
Whether
the-
the jurisdiction described,
the jury,
defined.
no, Lordship, it's not defined, but Lordship, we have to within their jurisdiction. Since the Gambura model is a different, Lordship. So he cannot preside over the matter.
No, the probably Papu, Nala comes under Nahalagan EAC. It comes under Nahalagan.
Yeah.
And probably that is why the complaint was.
Even if it come, Lordship, that has to be, if had I been a resident of model village, thing would have been different, Lordship.
So this was decided ex parte,
Ex parte, Lordship.
whether ex parte is now possible.
Ex parte is also possible in spot amendment 2000.
Okay.
It says,
Yes.
Lordship,
Can
3
proceed.
times has to be, and minimum of,
3 times
Yes.
someone was issued to you.
that was issued, but Lordship, it also says a minimum of 30 days has to be given. That was also not complied, Lordship.
That was with 3 times notice was issued to you within a span of how much time?
Lordship, at least minimum 30 days should have been given. There,
They have sent within how many days?
Lordship, not even 30 days. They have given not even a 30 days, Lordship. And that also they have to prove whether that, since Lordship, I have made in my amendment also that the petitioner is an ad hoc labor in a PWD in Karadadi. So like the Lordship, whether I have received that notice also, no, that has to be proved, Lordship. There is nothing such, Lordship. And Lordship, in the judgment also, they have imposed me a fine of 50,000. And as per FR section 42 of the amendment, it says a minimum of 5,000, not more than that, Lordship. So they have violated the AFR, Lordship. And
Okay, for Mr. Jamal. Land Council, we Jamal, Land Council for the petitioner. Para. By filing this application under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has challenged the legality and validity of the impugned ex parte judgment and order dated 27/8/2024, passed by the customary court of Gambura Itanagar Capital Complex. It says the Itanagar Complex.
yes, in the heading also, in the customary page 17, Lord, in the customary court of
Customary court of Gambura Itanagar Capital Complex. Circle, Nahalagan. By whereby and by which the petitioner, sorry, it is directed that the petitioner, just a minute, whereby and by which the state customary court passed an order that the petitioner shall be liable. It is only said that petitioner shall be liable,
Yes, no.
not directed.
Not that, and after
Okay.
the Lordship, they have filed an execution petition also. In that execution
Okay.
petition, that I have annexed in my-
Petitioner shall be liable to give back 8 mithun, including mother, or fine of rupees 4,20,000, and also imposed a cost of penalty of rupees 50,000. This is to be paid to the customary court.
Yes, Lordship.
only to the customary court. Where it is, where is the direction?
Lordship, in page 20 is the operative portion of
Okay, 50,000 to the customary court, Gambura within bracket GB for avoiding from neglecting the kebab. So, it is submitted that the Papunala, the area of Papunala where the petitioner, where the petitioner and the respondent resides, comes under
Municipal Corporation Ward number
municipal
13.
corporation. Municipal corporation,
Yes, Ward number 13. Lordship.
ward number 13,
Yes,
and it is the urban area. Urban area.
yes, Lordship.
Have you stated that?
Yes, Lordship, in my paragraph 2 subclause B,
There are two urban area.
page 4, paragraph 2, Lordship, subclause B.
Subclause D.
B, Lordship.
B.
The last third paragraph, it is pertinent to mention that Puruzuli colony comes under the jurisdiction of Itanagar Municipal Corporation, Ward number 13.
Falls under the jurisdiction of Itanagar Municipal Corporation, ward number 13. Which means that it falls under the urban area. And therefore, the customary code of Gambura ICC Circle Nahalagan and just a minute, I'm understanding so, and as per 40.
Yes, section.
And as per section 40, the Gambura, the customary code.
Yes, Lordship.
What it says, the customary code or the Gambura?
It says there has to be indigenous.
Just read the provision.
Both the party are in the, and live within their jurisdiction.
No, what it says.
The village authority shall try any suit without limit of value in which both the party are indigenous to the
No, about the fine, you said that 5,000.
about the fine.
Yes,
Lordship. The village authority shall have power and to award cost of
which section is this?
42, Lordship.
42.
Yes.
And as per the section 42 of, sorry, 42, rule 42 of the, rule 42 of
AFR 1945.
AFR 9, Assam Frontier, within bracket, Administration of Justice Regulation 1945, the village authority can
42, Lordship, it says 42, the village.
42, or can impose a fine of rupees
5,000.
5,000 only. However, in the instant case, the customary court of Gambura ICC Circle Nahalagan has exceeded the jurisdiction. Exceeded the jurisdiction conferred on it. Issue notice returnable by, it's 3 weeks or 4 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship, it's just nearby the.
3 weeks. You have made party to?
I have made party to the private respondent. Yes,
3 weeks. Whether the record need be called for?
Lordship, a record will be necessary, Lordship.
Will be necessary.
That
It will be called from where?
it's from EAC Naharlagan, Lordship.
Now EAC is not a party.
That can be, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, the respondent they
You
can.
say that whether the EAC has power to endorse the case.
That's what, that also, Lordship, I have challenged.
Then in that case, we have to make party. We cannot decide against him unless he is made party. Isn't it? no order can be passed against him unless you make, give him an opportunity, made a party. Because what I am saying is, maybe there is some government notification whereby the jurisdiction may have divided.
Lordship,
Maybe
let-
it
in
falls
that
under-
case, Lordship, let the private respondent, maybe they'll come up with a affidavit saying that in meanwhile, Lordship, let the notice be issued and they say since there's an execution petition before the learned PSC, that may be state Lordship.
Then they have the record then has to be called from the customary court.
That the customary court Lordship, since the matter has been passed by the Gambura, Itanagar Capital Complex, that is, in Lordship, since we have applied the CTC also, the Gambura, they only have given. So Lordship,
They have given.
I don't think there is a court also in ESC Lordship. So that is,
So record probably then record in this regard would be only complaint related complaint and then this order.
yes, Lordship.
And an Parvana if there was any summon issued. That only would be the record in this case.
Yes, Lordship.
And you have, I think, annex all those.
I have annexed all those. Lordship.
Okay. Record for the time being. Later on, you make a prayer before
Yes,
the
Lordship,
for
I'll-
calling of the record.
if
You find
possible.
out the authority.
Yes.
Okay. Notice returnable for 3 weeks. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent by a registered post with AD as well as by a usual process. Stop. List this matter after 3 weeks. What if say they have, is it enough?
Lordship, I have an interim prayer in this matter.
No, that is what I'm saying. What if say they have also filed an execution? petition?
Execution petition, Lordship.
Where?
That,
Are
Lordship,
you challenging the execution also?
yes,
Is
Lordship.
there any order passed in that?
Yes, Lordship, they have passed in page, that is the last, in the page 38, Lordship, in Excel 12.
Execution, this, okay.
And execution also, they have not gone through as per the CPC, Lordship, and nothing recording. But randomly they have. The third paragraph, Lordship, may I read on? The degree depth so-and-so absent part. Paragraph.
Okay, yes.
Through his legal counsel, praying that personal appearance may be dispensed for today and the proceeding may be taken in, may keep in advance for at least a week. However, the degree holder has already able sufficient time since first hearing, that is 16/10 of 24, but failed to produce any substantive documents to disprove the claim of degree. As such, the prayer of degree debtor is rejected. With, in the view above, the degree debtor so-and-so is directed to pay 4,20,000 only as per order of the village authority dated so-and-so. The amount shall be paid within 14/11 of 2024.
Oh, then in that case, execution petition also judgment debtor has already appeared.
Lordship, after getting the execution notice by the order, have appeared before the court. Lordship, here also the amount shall be, this is okay, with a failing which is private land measuring so and so located at Corujuli will be attached for realization of the degree amount. Whether that is his property or not, there is nothing on just on verbal submission.
No, then you see, the record would be with EAC. Because thereafter subsequently, EAC has initiated and endorsed the Gambura to decide. And then he has also proceeded the execution petition as well. Now the record would be with EAC. He is EAC, yes, extra assessment. Then in there, where have you stated about the execution proceeding?
Execution proceeding in my page 9, that is page 8, paragraph 2M, Lordship. Page 8, Lordship, the last paragraph. That the petitioner came to know about the impugned judgment and order dated so and so.
Para?
para M Lordship, that is page.
Okay.
The petitioner came to know about the impugned judgment and order so and so when an execution number so and so dated so and so was received by the petitioner to appear on the court on 16/10 of 2024. The EAC now has the cognizance of the application made by the respondent on execution
Okay.
of this.
Then change the or last paragraph change. No. The in the copy. The 181. Not only that, the petitioner has also filed execution petition before the EAC.
Naharlagan.
Extra Assistant Commissioner Naharlagan. Who has already proceeded that who has already taken cognizance. Who has proceeded with the execution petition. What is the direction, last direction in the execution petition?
The direction Lordship, it says
Okay.
judgment debtor is directed to pay the amount of 4,20,000 only as order of so and so. The one shall pay within 14/11 of
Okay.
field, which is private lane.
Okay, execution petition before the EAC Naharlagan, who by an order dated 5/11/2024 has already issued an order, has directed the petitioner to pay the decreed amount of rupees 4,20,000 within 14/11/2024. Failing which the private lane measuring 10 into 15 meters. Private lane of the petitioner measuring 10 into 15 meters located at Korjuli will be attached for realization of the decree amount. Thereafter issue notice. Okay. Then after notice, then having regards to the contention made and the submission of the land council for the petition. It is provided that the operation of the ex parte impugned judgment and order dated 27/8/2024 passed by the customary court Naharlagan, and the execution suit number 02/2024 pending before the EAC Naharlagan shall remain stayed till the next returnable date. Okay. List is not okay after 3 years.
Google over.
Okay. Yeah.
May I also? Lordship, this is a bail application filed under section 438 of Bharatiya Nagrik Surakshit Act 2023, arising out of FIR dated 6/9/2024 and registered as a Mahadev PS case number 21/24 under section 80 of BNS Act. And the Lordship alleged accused was arrested on 6/9/2024 itself and still in languishing in the police custody.
21, the PS case number section 80.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your BNS.
What is this 80?
Your Lordship, dowry debt.
Dowry debt.
Dowry debt.
That.
It's fall under heinous category of offense.
Hmm?
Heinous offense, Your Lordship. Not less than 7 years, but which may extend to life
Not less than
imprisonment.
7 years.
Yes.
Okay. So have you applied for the trial court earlier?
No, Your Lordship.
No.
No, Your Lordship. This is the
Why
first
you
bail
have not
application.
You could have filed bail application before the trial court.
Yes, Lordship, but I have been instructed to submit it for this High Court only. And the
Yeah.
leading counsel is from Guwahati itself.
Leading counsel has instructed you
Yes, Your.
to file before the High Court.
Yes,
Straight away. When he was arrested?
Lordship.
When he was arrested?
06/09/2024, Lordship.
9. So, Mr. Asad?
Yes, Your Lordship. Call for the case diary, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir. Okay. You are Mr.
M. Ram.
Learned counsel to the petitioner. Okay. This is an application under section 483 of the BNS 2023. For grant of bail to the accused Vijendra Sonowal.
Yes, Lord.
Alias Kamal Sonowal, who has been arrested in connection with the Mahadevpur within bracket MTR bracket close PS case number 21/2024 under section 80 of BNS 2023. Okay. There. Hold for the case diary and scanned copy of the case diary. Started. Mr. P.A.T. took appear in it and accept the notice on behalf of the state respondent. Here the informant is not required to be.
Not required, Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay. Please this matter after
Uh,
or when?
You know, a leading counsel is coming from the Guwahati, so the fixed date of this 29th of this month may be given.
Is prayed for by the Learned Counsel for a petitioner. Please this matter on 29.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Lordship. Deeply
Highly
obliged.
obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, 413 application for 83 CRPC application of BNSS application in connection with Naharlagun case number 119 of 2024, and the accused was arrested on 3/9/2024 and
What was
forward
to be corrected here, you said?
in course title in page number 1, Lordship, an application under section 483, but I have wrongly listed written as 479.
Let them amend it first, Your Lordship.
Amendment.
You have to amend the.
It
Yes,
should
sir.
be 483, not 479. 479 is for under trial prisoners, Your
Yes.
Lordship.
You correct it.
Yes, sir.
So it has to be replaced or what?
Yes, Your Lordship, it's up to Your Lordship. This can, if they are allowed to change the course title, Your Lordship itself, then the matter can be taken up today itself if this part is
Yes.
replaced,
today
Your
itself.
Lordship.
Okay. First correct it.
Your Lordship, before the registry, but maybe.
It has to go to registry first.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, the petitioner prays for allowing him to correct the course title. And the typographical error in the course title. The prayer is allowed. The petitioner shall file amended course title. They are allowed to file amended course title. The registries do the needful. Okay. We amend first.
Your lordship,
Yes.
this is a joint petition filed by the petitioners for quashing of FIR number 4623 and corresponding charge sheet
FIR.
and charge sheet, Your Honor,
Settlement, your lordship.
on strength of settlement, date of settlement.
So what happened after filing of charges, whether the case
The
has been registered?
registered and, Your Honor, it is
proceeded?
under trial in the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court of Alo.
Hello.
Yes, it's a list.
Whether any
evidence.
evidence reported?
Yes, some of evidence have been taken and rested there. Tomorrow is fixed for evidence again for VWs.
Tomorrow
But
is
however,
fixed for evidence.
yes,
Whether the evidence of the informant has already recorded?
Your Lordship, recorded. However, Lordship, since they are the complainant and the alleged accused, they are known to each other and they have.
This was in the official capacity. Is it possible?
Your lordship, may kindly see the FIR, your lordship, because even if it is, your lordship, the section regarding deterring the public officer. Now the question here is whether this section will be attracted or not. Same like your lordship as laid down in Lakshmi Narayan case, mere incorporation of section will not suffice. The court has to see whether the section is attracted or not, or it's for the namesake. If it is for the namesake, the court is well within its jurisdiction to exercise its power. Now let us see the, your lordship, FIR first, your lordship. 17, your lordship, type copy.
Yes.
With due respect, sir, I, SIP Mole Kamdak, being the duty officer on 23rd August 2023, received one verbal complaint from Mr. Mintu Neok, son of Dilip Neok, son of so and so, that some unknown group of people, about 20-25 of them, threatened them to come out of the rent house they reside. When they did not respond to the threaten, they forcefully entered the house and damaged their property. They even intimidated them with dao. When I, after receiving the complaint, went to the PO for inquiry, one person named Sri Darjing Omdir, the present applicant, entered the rent house. I was inquiring and shouted at as to ask proper question. So he shouted to ask a appropriate proper question. I asked who he was and his identification. So identification was also asked. He told me that he was Dagjing Omdir and that he was the son of Modang Omdir. Identification also given. I told him not to get out of the house. Then after completing the inquiry, when I went out, he was still there and told me to do the inquiry in detail and ask proper question. Yes, he's absolutely correct, your lordship. I told him not to interfere and stand aside. He started abusing me verbally and intimidated me while I was discharging my official duty. Intimidating for what? That is also absent. Therefore, sir, I kindly request you to take proper action and register a case. Your lordship, it's in fact this abuse of process because the section in my humble understanding will not attract, because if intimidation is there, the consequences must be there.
He only says.
Yes.
That inquire in detail and ask proper questions.
Yes, your lordship, that every citizen have a right to say all these things to the police officers, your lordship. For prima facie, your lordship, no doubt they have settled the matter. At this stage, what my humble prayer would be, your lordship may call for the record from the trial court, and in the meantime, your lordship, this proceeding may be stayed till returnable date, your lordship.
You are Mr.
J. Koyu.
Or Mr. J. Koyu, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Fair. This is an application under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Within bracket corresponding from 5 to 8 of BNSS. So, sorry, BNSS 2023, bracket close. for quashing and setting aside of the FIR dated 23/8/2023, registered as RPS case number 46/2023 under section 353, 506, 510 of IPC and connected charge sheet number 66/2023 dated 18/12/2023. And registered as GR number 63/2023 pending before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate. Hello. Hello. Okay, sir. Issue notice. This is joint petition only?
Yes, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
Your Honor.
Okay, then this is a joint petition filed by the petitioner number 1. So file under section 27. Joint petition filed by the, who is the petitioner number 1 is the
It's
accused.
the alleged.
Okay,
2 is the informant complaint.
accused petitioner number N, the informant petitioner number 2, then rest will continue. Okay. Mr. T, okay. Then it will be accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent. So, since Mr. Theatre appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice need be issued. So, list this matter. When
After, Your Lordship, 3 weeks.
list this matter after 3 weeks. But in the meantime, the further proceeding of GR 63/2023 pending against just a minute. 63/2023 arising out of RPS case number 46/2023 under section 353, 506, 510 pending before the accused petitioner Dakji Ngomde pending before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate against the accused petitioner Dakji Ngomde shall remain state till the next returnable date.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Your Lordship, item number 5, Your Lordship, with the consent of the other side, Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of D. Shoki, the petitioner, revision petitioner, Your Lordship. He has informed the other side as well, Your Lordship. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks, and in the meantime, interim may be continued, Your Lordship. Item number 5.
Okay.
Morning, I forgot to mention you.
Mr. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Vijay Shoki, Land Council for the petitioner with the other side. Praise for listing this matter after
4 weeks, Your Lordship.
4 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Your Lordship, interim order pass earlier.
The interim order pass earlier shall continue to the next stage.
Yeah. Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, I'm trying for withdrawing the matter, my lord. Trying for withdrawing the matter, my lord.
Draw.
Yes, my lord. With a liberty, my lord.
You are Mr.
A. Timung.
A,
Timung. T.
your name is there?
Yes, today I filed.
On behalf of the petitioner.
Yes, madam.
Okay, Mr. Timo.
Timung, yes, madam.
Land Council for the petitioner has an instruction to withdraw this criminal petition. Stop. Mr. Non-AD, additional people, has no objection. Stop. In view of the above. So accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Praise for withdrawal of the case is criminal petition is allowed. Stop. This criminal petition is disposed of on being withdrawn. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
In this case, my lord, the counsel for the victim was directed to file an affidavit. Since on the last occasion, which is on record, he has made a defamatory statement against me, which is in public domain today. So therefore, if my lord may peruse the last order.
$25,900.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
May I see?
yes, have you filed affidavit?
No, I have not filed.
You were directed to file affidavit. Why you have not filed?
Lordship, this submission I beg to submit. Lordship, it was, I beg apology if any word that goes against if my senior hearted because of my submission. It was only because of the heat of moment and under the behest of victim, I submitted that the submission made by my the learned PP was not appreciable in the other day. That was my submission. And if it, as my senior has rightly pointed out that it is in the public domain, in the open court itself, I beg apology if it was hard by him, and I beg not to. I'm restraining. I don't want to file the affidavit in that aspect.
So, since if he's seeking apology, then my lord.
But then you see, at the behest of your client.
Because
actually you.
I'm saying because that was I have gone by the emotion and I said like especially
Not by the emotion in the court. It has to be fact and law. Counsel will be together for whole life. Your client is today, he is your client. Tomorrow he may not be your client. He may be client of another person. But you will be together here for whole time.
For which I'm realizing and I'm submitting that.
You should be. Okay.
That these things may be recorded in the order, madam.
Yes. You are Mr. Koyu.
Yes.
Mr. R. Koyu, Land Council for you are correspondent.
I'm for
Respondent number 2.
Victim, madam.
Victim.
Okay, respondent victim. This is a criminal petition.
Yes.
Who is for the petitioner? Right?
For the petitioner, my lord.
Okay. Okay. By an order dated 25/9/2024. Mr. R. Koyu, Land Council, appearing on behalf of the respondent, was directed to file affidavit to bring on record his allegation against a public prosecutor. However, today, he submits that he leaves Mr. Koyu, today Mr. Koyu seek an unconditional apology at the bar, apology from Mr. J. Serin at the bar, and stated that the submission made on 25/9/2024 against him was made inadvertently due to at the behest of the respondent client, and he has undertaken not to repeat the same. In view of the above, in view of the above, he do not want to file affidavit against Mr. J, against Mr. Affidavit also on stop. In view of the above, the apology tendered by Land Council Board Respondent number 2, Mr. J. Koyu, has been accepted. And therefore, there shall be no further. There shall be no further.
Maybe discharge from this filing filing of the affidavit.
And therefore, he is discharged from filing of any affidavit in this regard. Okay. So this is pending for the now.
Merit only, Your Lordship.
Placement.
Merit.
Just listed for
Admission hearing, Your Lordship.
okay, Mr. Who is for the petitioner, Mr.?
I am for the petitioner,
Mr.
M. Ram. M. Ram, Lords.
Land Council for the petitioner. And the additional PP is also present. List this matter.
Lordship on 19 or 20, because these include operating in the.
Any appropriate date, Your Lordship.
Okay, as prayed for by the Land Council for the parties, list this matter on 19. 19, you said 19.
Because this interim, seeing the.
Okay, 19, okay, 19, so in the meantime, the interim order pass order shall continue till then, okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
I cannot mention in the
Yeah.
morning, but I'm trying for an adjournment, my lord, on behalf of SK Theory, my lord.
So what you want?
My lord, if the matter be taken up on 19 of this month, my lord.
So 19 probably some other matter has also been fixed. Already two matter, I think, 19. Why it will be fixed?
My lord, as stated by this, my lord, leading of SK Theory.
What is this criminal petition,
Yes.
quashing petition?
Yes, Your Lordship. It's a criminal petition. Setting. Yes, Your Lordship. For setting aside of the FIR, Your Lordship. FIR.
Quashing off.
Yeah, FIR and Your Lordship. Criminal. FIR pending and the criminal proceeding pending before the Learned Session Court, Teju, Your Lordship, against the petitioner.
Okay. On the prayer made by your good name?
ATMO.
appearing on behalf of Mr. S.K. Deori. List his matter on 19. Can it be fixed? Please.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
Let
19.
it be on 19th, your lord. Otherwise, it's
Okay,
for
Mr.
orders only, your lord, whether service has been
This
completed.
order.
Yes.
No, this is not admission.
Oh, okay, it's for, yes, for admission, sorry, your lord.
Mr.
No, your lord, it's for orders, your lord. It's for orders.
Is it?
Yes, your lord. In the course list,
Okay.
bottom side
Ah.
is written order, that's why, your lord, we have
The last.
confused. It's
Okay.
orders only. Regarding the service of notice to the response
Then-
number 2.
Just a minute, Okay. Mr. His presence, you are Mr.
80 more, my lord.
Appear on behalf of Mr. Your name is also there.
No, my lord.
Okay. Appear on behalf of Mr. S.K. Deori, Lana Council for the petitioner staff. Service upon
Private respondent, your lord. Number 2.
the private respondent number 2 is still awaited. Number 2 from
In that case,
received. It's received only.
then your lordship, if it
No,
is-
not yet received. Okay.
Then your
It
lordship.
is still awaited.
Yes,
In view
your
of the above, the list is matter. In view of the above, and is paid for by the Lana Council for the petition, list is matter on 19.
Yes.
Okay.
Oblige, your lord.
Lordship, as per record, my lord, service is awaited, my lord.
Service awaited.
Yes, ma. So we'll waiting, my lord.
You are Mr.
T. Kamchi for the
Lana Council
petitioner.
For the petitioner. He
Kamchi.
Kamchi, Lana Council for the petitioner. He is present. As per the office note dated 31/7/2024. The 4th, okay, 7/2024. The service upon the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you may have to take fresh steps because it's been long.
My lord,
Take fresh steps.
okay,
It was in the July only, in the month of July only.
okay, my lord.
Okay, then, like, in view of the office note dated 31/7/2024 from the Lana Council for the petitioner, prays for allowing him to take fresh steps upon the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Prayer allowed. Step be taken upon the say above mentioned respondent by a registered post with AD. This is within a week from today, so this is never after 4 weeks.
My lord, interim order is there.
There is interim also.
Yes, my lord.
The interim order passed earlier said continue to the next stage. Okay.
Much obliged.
Yes. No one appears on behalf of the parties. Please stand adjourned. This is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Your lordship, I'm sorry to say, item number 3, I have corrected the same, kindly. Take the matter, lord.
Okay.
Item number 3.
You've served the copy.
Yes, already I have served a copy.
You've
to people.
received.
It will be corrected in the court of okay, fine. lordship.
He was arrested
No,
on
he has-
3/9/2024, Lord. Today is 40 days from the date of forwarding.
Corrected by pen. It has come from register.
This will come from
Registry
registry.
informed me that if a order copy is not available, not received by them, they will not allow me to sign it. Then I correct the set.
Now, this is not allowed.
Yes, your lordship.
This is not allowed in the,
Yes.
there is a notification.
Yes.
Why you are doing this?
No, I have corrected, Lordship.
No, no, you have been
That is
directed.
not allowed. It has to be typed copy.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So that order, it was already dictated.
In that case, let it be on tomorrow.
Hmm.
Or tomorrow itself. If
Oh,
it's not.
correct it first, replace it first. Yeah. Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes.
In this matter, I am the sole respondent United India Insurance Company. Reading has already been completed. Even LCR arrived, my lord. So hearing may be fixed.
Okay. So who appear for the, you are for appellant,
I am respondent.
you are for appellant. Okay, hard Miss D. Rilu, Land Council for the appellant. Also had Mr. Dekka, Land Council for the.
Lordship, kindly date may be fixed.
Hmm?
Date may be fixed for final hearing. Date.
Council for the respondent insurance company. Staff. It is submitted, the pleadings is completed and file code record has also been received. So in view of the above, is ready for hearing, staff, in view of the above. And is placed by both the non-council for the parties. List this matter on
On 19 of this month.
19.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, 19 for hearing. Okay.
Deeply observed.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, I am for respondent number 2.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, this respondent number is out of station, so I need time to file reply on next date.
You have to file reply. Reply to,
This IN number 79 thing.
there is IA also.
Yes.
IS 7924, Your Lordship.
Where is IA? What is this IA for?
Full. Order passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate UPR so and so arising out of so and so, whereby direction was issued to liquidate fixed deposits when appearing on so and first class by dated 27/7/2024 has directed to liquidate the fixed FD of petitioner applicant bearing number so and so to transfer the available amount to the Murang Rekam account, respondent number 2 account, respondent of her account. So they have filed to stay that order passed by the learned GMFC court. The Lordship will find the order in 25/7, 27/7. Your Lordship will find in 25% annexer. They have not, pagination is not done, Your Lordship. Pagination not done. Order.
There is a direction of this court not to deposit directly. Not to deposit the money of the
Yes.
petitioner so into the account of so no, Mr. Murang Rikam.
That means it stayed, your lordship.
There is already stay.
Meaning it has already been stayed, your lordship.
So what do you want? This is for what? You are not the leading counsel. Counsel.
Lordship, actually, this I thought it is for reply,
Hmm?
and this leading counsel is out of station.
You are for the
Yeah, the respondent note 2.
respondent number 2.
Yes, Murang Rikam.
Who is for the petitioner? No one.
No one, your lordship. No appearance from petitioner side.
Yes.
No one appears on behalf of the petitioner on. While you are Mr.
Tamin. Tamin.
Tamin, learned counsel for the respondent number 2.
Yes, lordship.
And okay. While Mr. T appear, learned executive and Mr. T Tamin, learned counsel appear for the respondent number 2 present on staff in absence of matters then adjourned. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged, your lordship.
Much obliged.
This is an application for
Yes.
quashing of FIR. Lordship. And in fact,
Passing of FIR.
FIR. Quashing of FIR.
Service is not completed in respect to respondent number 2.
Is it joint petition? No.
No, your lordship. On merit only.
On merit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Service is awaiting in respect of respondent number 2. Respondent number 2 is the informant.
Informant complaint.
So have probably taking steps. Service is still awaited.
Yes, we have
His
taken.
appearance would be necessary.
Yes, that is there. And some of the facts are not highlighted here in this petition because it was that occurred in simultaneously before the district and session judge. Because bail was guaranteed to us and that is not incorporated here. The petition has come from Guwahati, so I'm just
Whether
updating.
bail is connected with the
No.
case?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We have interim prayer that we may be released. Bail may be granted to us, anticipatory bail may be granted to us. That prayer portion is there. Interim prayer is there. That's well, Lordship. Now, what happened was we were granted bail by the district and session judge. Then what happened was we went to IO for just our attendance and other formalities. So IO was not there because it's from Balijan. So on 2 occasions it had happened. That is what I have heard from I got from verbal instruction. So
Bail was interim bail.
yes,
Anticipatory bail.
anticipatory bail. No,
Okay.
I think, yes. 438. The council had some differences with the client, and he submitted before the court that he is not cooperating me.
Ah.
So that's why it was cancelled.
Cancel.
Yes, I have the order here. So since it was not annexed, I'm just probably submitting. But today I'm asking for, I'm praying for interim bail as because I newly joined. On only 2 months I had that occasion to go for administration. The allegation is that admissions were given without original degree, so and so. So
This is regarding giving admission illegally.
illegally and illegal admission plus award of degree. So award of degree, PhD degree, so and so. So that was the allegation, complaint, and
You are
I'm the director.
director of
NIT Jote. I newly joined.
okay. So this but that was issued by whom? The earlier.
What?
The
I'm unknown to all these facts.
okay, but the degree
Degree
and
certificate.
admission was also done by your predecessor, not by you.
Not by me.
Then how? Let us see the FIR.
Page 34, annexure 1. See, this is
This was June
The-
2024. You joined NIT.
NIT.
When did you join?
I joined on 24 April 2024. FIR is 23/6/2024. Just 2 months.
July.
Yes, July.
6th July.
6th July. 23rd July. 23rd July. No, June. It's 23rd June.
So this is to the director, against the director. No, this is to the director. Nothing, this is someone to. No, this is someone only.
Yes, someone only.
This is
Someone. So page 34 is someone, and here someone they have veracity of the degrees of the lecturers at Jote, and then now here on 16/7/2024, what we reply to the police is that the institution is run by board of directors. So until and unless they were asking for official documents, so until and unless it's by the board of governors, the director cannot furnish those documents. That was
document was sought for by the IO of the case.
yes, not IO. In fact, this was by the DSP, Sri SDPO Papumpare, here at UPR, SDPO. Then thereafter they have registered a case at Balijan. So now Balijan police is summoning me.
No, where is the FIR? Can we see that?
Yes. FIR is at page 47. May I read? There are two FIRs, almost same.
Okay.
Subject: first information report regarding racket at National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh, Jote, to admit students with fake master degree mark sheets and certificates to PhD course and to award degree to such students by academics and director of National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh, Jote, so as to allegedly commit the cognizable offense of cheating 420 and criminal of trust 409. So this is the whole allegation. So my submission is that I'm 2 months old.
When it was issued, have they stated anywhere when it was issued?
No, nothing. FIR is not against me. It's by to the institute. And since they have broadly said that director, then I come. I have not been named in person, but as director. The other one is also same.
So you are praying for passing of this FIR.
Yes.
And another one is the same. FIR, another case.
Yes.
49 is also another. FIR.
It's same only. Same only. Only variation of language. I'm not asking for quashing of the entire FIR.
Okay. Then
In respect of my own.
director.
Yes. I'm a 65 years old man. In fact, I was never here. I joined from outside. Yes. The other one is to unlawfully recruit people with ineligible education degree and mark sheets.
So the earlier anticipatory bail granted to you has been cancelled.
Yes.
Okay. Now what's your prayer here?
Lord, I'm asking for quashing of FIR, but here I'm interim prayer that until disposal, I may be given the interim bail. That's my prayer. Lordship, just for briefing, may I read the bail cancellation order of the.
Where is the have you annexed?
No. This we got after filing of this petition.
Okay.
It's a very short order. May I read?
Yes, please. Sir.
This is an application filed under section 438 of CRPC by the applicant, accused Mohan Bitar Rao, aware, seeking interim pre-arrest bail, apprehending his arrest by Balijan police in connection with above noted PS case. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant has stated that after being granted interim pre-arrest bail on 4/9/2024,
This is interim bail only.
The-
Bail
the-
order.
yes, interim bail order was there. So this was again cancelled.
No, where is the cancellation order?
This is the cancellation order.
Oh, this is cancellation.
Yes, yes. The accused went to Balijan, pre-arrest bail on 4/9/2021. The accused went to Balijan PS for execution of the bail and for giving his statement. But for the reason best known to the IO of the case, his statement was not recorded, nor his bail bond was executed. The learned counsel further submitted that the accused person is not cooperating with him. So this is the counsel saying that his client is not cooperating with him.
But he's ready to cooperate with IO of the case.
IO
cooperating with the advocate.
I was also not taking his statement. Therefore, learned counsel has prayed to allow him to withdraw his application. So in such peculiar circumstances, this old man having of 65 years has to come before this honorable court.
Okay, so Mr. Lawrence, senior counsel, assisted by Mr. and
Finally get to see.
Lawrence counsel for the petition. Also had Mr. Clear, the Lawrence Edison, PP for the state of the staff. As per the office note dated 11/11/2024, the service upon the respondent number 2. Service of notice upon the respondent number 2 is still awaited. List this matter after 3 weeks. Now, in view of the above, list this matter after 3 weeks. Para. Upon consideration, having regards to the contention made and the submission of the land council for the petitioner. So the investigation further proceeding, we will not stay, but then we'll only say that no coercive action against you because their bail cannot be probably granted in this.
Your Lordship, my only concern here is, Your Lordship, since they are invoking the 482 inherent power of this honorable court, now even for coercive action, this for protection, as if no coercive action against the accused, this court has to record the satisfaction that whether there is case is made out or not, Your Lordship. Because that is the guideline laid down in the Nyarika case. Because I'm afraid, Your Lordship, because in this case, other interim during the pendency of this case.
Why don't you file
anticipatory
bail separately?
Separately, yes, Your Lordship.
Before this court, because it was earlier before the session court. You can file tomorrow also before this court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Automatically, because earlier you were protected only because of this misunderstanding, it was cancelled.
Yes.
Protected by the separate bail application.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow, file a small bail application. Get it. That will be better because because this is quashing petition only.
Yes.
The quashing petition is a little difficult.
They have a good
And if
case
you are
for
making
bail.
some allegation that they are calling for, and then all those allegations, although there is nothing against you, but then they are repeatedly so and so, and then if you make a prayer, that may be, of course, after consideration, but that also is not there. You are only praying for
Washing.
the state of further proceeding.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So even if further proceeding, but then during investigation stage, it will be a little difficult.
Yes,
unless we share the
yes, exactly.
medical
Nyarika
case.
in price.
in broad sense, I'm ready to cooperate with the investigation.
That is true.
But only thing is, one more thing which is very important is that after all, he's a director. And once director is arrested, the institution will go down.
That is why
Defend.
we'll
And-
consider you file tomorrow
Yeah.
itself.
Your Lordship, with all fairness, Your Lordship, no doubt they have a good case for anticipatory bail, but not for quashing, Your Lordship, at this stage.
Question for the during investigation period, we may not be able to, because it's very difficult to interfere with.
Yes, Your
The
Lordship. At this
investigation.
stage,
case.
yes, at this stage.
At this stage,
Yes,
at
yes.
least.
Let them approach by application, Your Lordship, anticipatory bail application, tomorrow itself,
So
Your
file
Lordship.
tomorrow itself, we file. Okay. Okay, so this is after 3 weeks. Huh? Okay, so step was taken earlier, and if you think that you need to take a fresh steps, everything.
Step
It's
was
awaited
taken-
only.
Step was taken on 30/11 or
That-
30/10.
Then
Then await for the service report, Your Lordship.
okay.
And on the next date, we will produce this updated case diary, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes.
No, record is not called for.
Yes, CD was called for, but Your Lordship, we have not received the case diary, Your Lordship.
Okay. It was called for,
Yes, Your Lordship, we have not received it yet.
not received.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, no, I think record also. By which order it was called for?
Your Lordship, on 21/10/24, Your Lordship, on the very first day itself.
21/10.
On the very first day itself. This is for the
Okay,
third time this matter is listed.
so.
And on that day, notice was issued to respond number 2 as well, Your Lordship.
No, it was not called for.
On 21/10/24, Your Lordship.
Notice was issued.
Then, Your Lordship, in that case, the CD may be called for that.
CD was not called.
Okay.
That is why.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then before this is matter after 3 weeks. Let the scanned copy of the case that we called for. Start. This matter.
After 3 weeks?
After 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, start. Then file tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. This is the last. What about 21? Okay. Okay. 5/2, okay.